In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a private server here in Steal a Brainrot on Roblox. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. Now, private servers are amazing because it can be just you or whoever you decide to let in. No randoms, no sneaking around, just you and your own little private spot. To do this, first go to Steal a Brainrot and go to the official game page by just selecting it. And what you're going to want to do is actually scroll all the way down to the very bottom and you're going to see a private server section here. On top of that, right to the right of the little play button here, there's going to be an option here that you could select. And then you'll have the option to create a private server. Go ahead and do this. Now at this point, it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. You are going to need 79 Robux a month in order to go ahead and keep up this private server up and running. But essentially go ahead and purchase the private server with 79 Robux. And after doing so, you're going to see that server create right here. From here, what you're going to want to do is actually go ahead and click on these three dots and hit configure. And you could tweak all of these settings to match exactly what you'd like. Make sure you have allowed joining on if you want the server to be joinable. And you can even allow specific connections by clicking this connections allowed and then hitting add people and typing in their username. Now, obviously, I'm using my a garden private server as an example of this, but it looks the exact same. You just got to think of the 79 Robux a month being like paying rent for your own little playroom. But yeah, that's it. That's how you can actually create your own private server here in Roblox Steal a Brainrot. No interruptions, just you and whoever you invite. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.